In this video, I will show you how to swap an AIT token on Trust Wallet in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Trust Wallet on your device. And I do apologize if the screen goes blank. It's just when you're recording your screen, it does block out for security reasons. So once you're on your home screen, I've got my AIT token, which I've imported. You can see that's down here. Now, what you want to do to swap this is actually come down to the browser option down at the bottom. And you want to actually do this through PancakeSwap. So if you can't see this in your history, if you've not been here before, just scroll down a bit and under the DeFi section, you should see PancakeSwap there. Go ahead and press on that to be taken directly to pancakeswap.finance. So if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to want to do is import your wallet. So to do that, just click this option here. You can see mine's already connected, but you'll be able to go ahead and connect your wallet from there. And once that's done, just come down to the swap screen here. So at the moment, we've got Ethereum selected. So what you want to do first is press onto that. And in the search box up here, just go ahead and type AIT, all in capitals, and you're going to see your AIT token come up. Sometimes you might have to import the token. So you want to make sure you do that and then go ahead and select it. Now, all you need to do is go underneath and choose what you want to swap this for. So for example, I could swap this for Ethereum like so. And what you would then do is just put the amount that you want to swap. So I'm just going to go ahead and put 5. Of course, I don't have anything in my account for that at the moment. But once that's done, it's going to give you a quote for, in this case, how much Ethereum I would get back. And underneath, you can see it says insufficient liquidity, as I mentioned, because I don't actually have any AIT coins at the moment. But if you do, that's going to show a swap button. So what you would do is click onto that, and you'll be able to go ahead and swap your AIT token. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.